Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Alma and welcome to Alma's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope everybody's having a great day today. Let's get started on the video. So today I will be reviewing the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour skin tint. It says it has vitamin C, says it lasts 24 hours. This one right here. So I'm so excited to try it. I really love Maybelline. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that Maybelline, the Fit Me Matte Poreless is one of my favorite foundations. So I couldn't wait to test this one. I don't know if I got the correct shade, but let's just go for it. I already moisturized using the La Roche-Posay moisturizer that I have right here. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm not gonna put any primer on. I already have this moisturizer and it's already like, I don't know. It's making me feel like I don't need it. Maybe because it's hot. I don't know. I mean, I can sprinkle some of this. I'll just sprinkle a little bit of that just for me to have something like a primer. Okay, so let's do this. So it has a dropper type thing and it looks like this. Pick some up. Okay. So I don't know. I guess I just like put it on my face or put it on my, I'm gonna put it on my beauty blender sponge thingy. This is the La Creme or something. I got this one at CVS. It has a picture of Minnie Mouse on it. Let me try putting it directly on my face. uh so those droplets that I put directly on the sponge got soaked up, so I guess because the tint is very light, like liquidy, it absorbs it. So on the other side, I'm gonna do the brush, see how it looks. Okay, so I put some directly on my face and I'm gonna use this buffing foundation brush by e.l.f. to spread the product around. Right away, I can tell you that I would rather put this product with a brush because it doesn't absorb it as much as the sponge does because it's really liquidy. I think that's why it absorbed it a lot. So I prefer the brush. This is me personally. Or maybe it's my, beauty blender thingy. I'm sorry, I'm holding a mirror right in front of me, but I know you're there. Okay, so let's analyze the foundation. I like it. I like how it's really smooth. Just blocks off my natural skin, like if there's any like blemishes, I think it would cover it. It's still setting. The other side, I'm gonna apply it. I'm gonna reapply the other side with my brush, just because I feel like with the sponge, at least this one, it absorbs it a lot. So I'm gonna go back in with the foundation and I'm gonna apply it again, but with my brush on this side. Okay, so far I want to say I like it. It looks dewy on me. I don't know if it's because of my skin tone, I mean complexion. I don't know if this is darker than my regular foundation as well. That could be it. That is making me feel kind of like, whoa, what the hell? But I like the application. I like the way it spreads out. I like the dewiness about it. I'm gonna now continue with my concealer, and then I'm gonna set it with powder around, and then we'll continue from there. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Camel Concealer by e.l.f. This one right here. And I'm gonna pick up this brush. This is by Real Techniques. It's called the Expert Edge Foundation Brush, and it's kind of pointed. So I'm gonna use that to spread out my concealer. Okay, so I feel like the color that I got is a little darker. So I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my face a little bit so it won't be too off. Like too off. I mean, that's what I feel. Maybe on camera it's gonna look different, but I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so I'm gonna set my lids and my under eyes with the Laura Mercier powder. I have it here on the lid. So I'm gonna set my lids and a little bit on my brows. And I'm gonna do my under eye. With my powder puff, I'm gonna pick up some powder and I'm gonna use the True Match foundation. I mean, True Match powder by L'Oreal. This one right here. Yes, Lily. Yeah, powder puff. So I'm gonna pick some up to set my face. And I use the sponge just with the pointy part facing down. Okay, so I just finished doing my brows, and also I noticed that my microphone gave up on me like before I started this. uh I feel like the video's kind of a disaster. Anyways, my microphone gave up on me, so I hope you guys were able to hear it. If not, I'll do a voiceover. But anyways, I just finished doing my brows, and I've been doing my brows with Fill and Fluff by NYX. This one right here. So I just finished powdering my face, and I did my brows. So I'm gonna do the eyes, and I'll be right back so I can tell you my thoughts on this foundation. This is what I used for my brows. So the Tattoo Studio, and this one right here, Fill and Fluff. Okay, and this is my finished look. What I used on my eyes was this e.l.f. the bite size eyeshadows, and then I used for a pop of shimmer on the inner eyelid. It's the Super Shock Shadow. It's Sail Away. I think that's what it's called, Sail Away. And then for my lips, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink in the color Golden, 105 Golden. This is the one I'm using right now. Okay, so let me see now. Okay, so my thoughts on this foundation. I really like it, honestly. I know that I've used applicators that have like the droplet like this. Also, I couldn't get my color. All the other colors that they had were darker. Let me show you the color that I normally use. Usually it's this one. It's 220 natural beige. And then if you can see, this one's a little bit slightly darker, tanner or something. But it is summer and I am tanner except my face. So I think it works out if I, since I did the concealer all like on my highlighted spots. I did not contour because it is dark. The foundation that I had to use, the one that I'm using is 130. 130, this one right here. Okay. Now I know, I was reading the back of the label right now, and it straight up says it's weightless feel, and it says towards the end, it says 24-hour wear, shake well before use. And I'm noticing that it has some sort of shimmer. It kind of reminds me of that shine that the e.l.f. The one with the big applicator. I thought it was a foundation. Anyways, the Halo Glow from e.l.f., something like that. But I do like the way this one, no wonder it gave me that dewy finish. And I actually really like it. I've been saying that lately the dewy look looks better on me rather than a bunch of powder and then I look cakey, because I have a really oily face, oily to combination skin, but mostly on the oily side. So I really like it. I put a little bit of blush here. Did not contour, and I'm wearing that one lipstick that I showed you guys. The lashes are from the Kiss. These right here, I just reused them. And of course I use the applicator, the Bond and the Seal, this one right here. And I like how the lashes look. But the foundation overall, I like how it's lightweight, and I really like the look. It gives you like a dewy, kind of like a, yeah, like a dewy finish, because it has some sort of like shine or shimmer, but it's not that intense. It's just enough. So I personally do like it. I don't mind it at all. I do have oily skin, so let's see how it goes with the rest of the day. But it's not sticky, it's not wet feeling, it's nice and set. So overall I like it. What I would recommend with this foundation is, if you do get kind of oily, I do recommend for you to get like a powder puff and a, powder, your favorite powder, and just dab it on certain areas. Don't go crazy like I was with a powder brush. Don't like powder your face entirely, because you're gonna look cakey. But that's what I recommend with this foundation. I actually do like it very much. I can't wait to continue using it and see how it performs on my skin. See, it's like dewy kind of. It gives it like a slight shine. It says it's sweat resist. Resist sweat. I don't know. Resist sweat, radiant finish. I do agree with that. Buildable skin light coverage. Yeah, you can build it up. I can see that happening. Water. It says resist sweat, water, and transfer for up to 24 hours. I'm gonna take a napkin just out of curiosity and dab it and see if it's true what it says. Okay, let's do this side. Oh my god, this is just a piece of napkin that I just decided to get. Dude, it actually didn't transfer.
What happened?
Whoa, the makeup, baby, it's really cool. Let's try this side of my face now, okay? It's actually no transfer. Wow, dude, that is so cool. Oh my god. Usually I immediately get like transfer from the foundation or something, like a color. Especially on my shirts, you'll get like, well, I do. Either when I'm putting it on or like whatever, it transfers onto my shirt sometimes. Oh my god, I'm glad I did that. Because I'm reading the label, right? And I'm like, let's see if it's true what it says. So man, I give it a 10 just for that. Like I'm impressed. I'm impressed that it didn't transfer on my napkin. Straight up, I got a napkin, like a regular napkin. A little piece that I haven't used. You're so silly, baby. I'm gonna get another piece, okay? To show it again.
Yeah.
I'm just cutting it off. This is another piece that has nothing on it, okay?
Yes.
Wow, dude. I am shocked.
Is that cool?
It's so cool. Look at that. No transfer. Oh my God. All right. That's my view on that foundation. I love it so much already, even though it's not my color. I'm probably going to go back and exchange it for my color. But oh my God, I love it already. Thank you guys so much. This concludes my video. I hope you guys like my makeup look for today. Thank you. And yeah, go out and try it. Tell me in the comments. Let me know what you guys think if you guys do try it. Let me know what you guys think. And your skin, what kind of skin do you have? Is it oily? Is it dry skin? Is it, you tell me, and I want to know on the comments what you think about this foundation. I love it. I love it so much. Dude, I'm shocked. This says no transfer, and it actually didn't transfer. What? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, share with your friends.
You finished?
Yeah, baby, I'm almost done. Share with your friends, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.
I gotta say bye.
Yeah, say bye.
Bye.
Say see you on the next video.
Then next video.
Thank you for watching.
Catch you watching.